Hey there, YouTubers. Welcome to my orchard videos. How's everyone doing? Well, I thought I'd post up a little video of how to sharpen the electric pruner. This is the handle, one of them. So I use this one actually the most. Actually, I like it. It's nice and light, and it's easy on my wrist because I do have carpal tunnel in both of my wrists from pruning many years. So anyways, I thought I'd just do a little video how to sharpen it, and you guys can see how it goes. Now, I found this is the best sharpening stone. It actually comes with a kit, but I will post a link in the video where you can find them. Now, these are the best. These are the best sharpening stones for the Felco pruners. You can probably use this on many different other different pruners, but I've had this now. I've had this stone for a long time, but I actually have another one that actually is brand new. Still, it came with the kit, because when you buy a Felco pruner, you spend $2,500. You get lots of different stuff with it, of course. So, sharpen this up. Very easy. Take up a swipes. Of course, in front of the camera, so not going to be the best job, but get the idea. Just sharpen the edge. You don't need very much. So you just want a nice clean edge on there. But for pruning peaches, you want a nice clean cut. Yeah, well, I sharpen this here. I basically sharpen it once every couple of days. If you're cutting, because peaches get that really dry wood and it dulls the blade out too. So, anyways, my camera's about to pack it in. So, anyways, hopefully enjoyed the video, and I'll post up a link in the video where you can get these stones. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and bye for now.